Hey everyone, it's your girl KD. So today I actually decided to do something a little different, something fun, and it's something you guys can watch at home. I don't know why I'm doing all of this, but I don't know, I'm a little bit weird. I don't know if you guys heard about a site called Etsy. 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 And basically it's a site where people sell their handcrafted things on there. It's actually really neat. If you haven't been on it, you should check it out and see what it's about. One of the things I discovered on Etsy that they had was mystery bags. And I thought this was cool because, like people have mystery boxes. Like people are always buying like mystery boxes like from Amazon and things like that. I decided to get mystery bags from Etsy. And I thought it was cool. So I just only got a few because I don't know. I just got that's all I could afford. I only got a few. I didn't get a lot of it. I hope you guys can hear me because I don't have a mic or anything like that. And I hope I don't have to record this again because I don't want to record this again. Okay. So another thing I'm gonna do for the mystery bags is I am going to the things that I'm gonna have a giveaway. I'm gonna have a giveaway for, I don't want to say the things I don't like, but I'm gonna have a little mini giveaway and for some of the things that I get in these mystery bags. So I'm gonna put them all together and then we're gonna do a little giveaway just for fun. Why not? So just be safe everyone, stay home, and stay home, make videos. That's what I'm doing. Stay home, make videos, and yeah. Okay, first one everyone. This one is cute. This one says thanks. Happy 2020. I can't show you guys the front because it has my address on it, but let's see what's inside. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Look at that. Just full disclaimer, if you guys plan on getting these and you don't want to see this, I apologize in advance. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This is so cute. Why a lull there? Oh my god, this is so, oh my gosh. So cute. Let's see. Okay, so it's blank on the inside. Postcard. Three guys playing volleyball. That's cute. I have to get that away. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Okay, number 2. Sorry, 1 second. Oh, okay. Super cute. Aww. Oh, be careful. I was like, is this candy? Oh my gosh, oh my god, I have to open this. I'm not gonna lie to you, I honestly thought this was candy. is so cute. This has to be candy. It's probably not, but like, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna try to eat it. Good. Guys, this is a ring. It's a lollipop ring. Aww. Oh, there's so much cute little things inside. Oh. Aww. This is where I got it from, by the way. Oh, this is so much little cute little things inside, you guys. Guys, oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Oh. Oh. I was really trying to get it perfect. Like, just tear it and it's like, oh, it's open. But of course I didn't. I'm trying to be careful too, just because, you know, don't want to ruin anything. Uh-oh. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh. I love cute stuff. This seems like it's a card. Be careful. So much for being careful. Oh, this is so pretty. See, this is why I have to be careful. Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh. Oh. Look at this one too. It's so beautiful. Oh. Yeah. I did order these in February, so that's why it says February. And I was just waiting on everything else to come before I did this video. Oh, let's open this. Okay, I guess I can't be careful. Oh, gosh. I love Pokemon! Guys, look, there's Pokemon cards in here. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, super cute, super cute. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I just want to open it just so I can show you guys what's inside. I don't want to ruin it, just in case I decide to give it away. Don't know, because these are actually so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's like, hold on. Okay. This is so cute. I'm so bad at this. This is where I got it from. Oh, so cute. Look at the Pikachu. Okay, I guess I have to take the board out. Oh my gosh. I don't know this Pokemon's name, but I think it's one of the Pokemons I do like. So you guys could put it in the comments if you guys know. So cute. Everything's so cute, so cute. Look. Pikachu. I'll show you guys that. Oh, this is so, oh goodness. Okay. Oh, what's this? No, oh my gosh, you guys, look. Meowth, that's right. I think that's how it goes. I'm so bad, I'm sorry. Everybody who's like into Pokemon is gonna come after me and be like, that's not how he says, that's not what it is. I'm so sorry. I used to watch Pokemon. Look how cute this notebook is. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm keeping this one. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, this is not gonna be a part of the giveaway. And then this. Oh my goodness. It's a keychain. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. Look. Look at the keychain. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Oh, this had so much cute stuff inside, you guys. Look. This had so much cute things inside. The giveaway will be a surprise for you guys too, so. And finally, Doodles from My Brains mystery box. I thought it was a mystery bag that I searched, but either way, let's look inside. Oh, look at that. So much stuff is in here. Not so much, but a good amount. Thank you! Thanks for your order. It means... Oh, this is so nice. I'm gonna drop their, like, Etsy? Account down below, and you guys can check it out. Sorry if I ruined the surprise if you guys were thinking about getting things. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this, you guys. Let me focus. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Should I open these bags last? I want to open these bags last. I didn't know I opened one already. This. Let's turn cacti into cactus. Aww. That's so cute. Should I open it? Do I need to open it? I'm gonna open it. Oh, see, this is why you open. This is why I need to open it. Look at that. Look at that. Nice little like cards. I might have to save some and then like give them to my friends on special occasions. Don't be jelly. Aw, this is so nice. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. You guys don't understand. I collect pins. Like, this is what I do. This is what I do for a living. I collect pins. No. Oh my gosh. This is nice. This is actually so nice. Oh. Look at this. Oh my goodness. If you were a pickle, I'd pick you. Oh my god. I'm gonna give it that. Oh my god. This is so nice. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm keeping this. The pins, oh my god. Look at that. Look at how cute this. Fun fact, I actually love pickles. So this is perfect. Okay. Okay. There's a lot of nice things in here. I don't even want to give anything away, but because I promised I will. So as I said before, one lucky person will win some of the items that you've seen here today. So it's a mini giveaway. All you need to do to enter is subscribe and leave a comment, and the winner will be announced in the next video. So turn on your post notifications so you know if you won or not. Thank you.